Hey, what's up everyone? Abel Anders here of Yugatech, and in this video, we will be sharing with you the top smartphones you may want to consider if you have a budget of just under 10,000 pesos. Take note though that this list only includes smartphones that have been announced and released for the first quarter of 2022. That's basically from January to March of this year. Okay, let's go ahead and give you the rundown. First in our list is the Motorola Moto G31, which was released back in January. This 6.4-inch AMOLED smartphone is powered by a MediaTek Helio G85 chip, has 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. It also features a triple rear camera headlined by a 50-megapixel main and a 13-megapixel front-facing camera. It has a hybrid dual SIM but only 4G capability, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, has water repellent features, and a huge 5,000 mAh battery. Powered by Android 11, the Moto G31 sells for only 8,995 pesos. The second phone in this list is the Realme Narzo 50, which was quietly released sometime last March. This is a rather large phone with a 6.6-inch display and running on a MediaTek Helio G96 processor. The triple rear camera has a 50-megapixel main and a 16-megapixel front-facing camera. It also packs a sizable 5,000 mAh battery with options for either 4GB or 6GB RAM and 64GB or 128GB storage with Realme 2.0 UI running on Android 11. You can get the Realme Narzo 50 for 8,990 for the 4GB 64 combo, or just add 1,000 pesos more for the 6GB and 128 combo. Another one that made it to our list is the Samsung Galaxy A03. It is powered by an octa-core processor with either 3GB or 4GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 32, 64GB or 128GB. The dual rear camera has 48-megapixel main and another 5-megapixel front-facing camera. It has dual SIM support with a dedicated micro SD card slot and 4G capability. The 5,000 mAh battery is also one of its good features. But we're not too excited with the micro USB charging port. Running on Android 11, the Galaxy A03 ranges from as low as 5,490 pesos for the 3GB 32GB combo, 6,490 for the 3GB 64GB combo, and 7,490 for the 4GB 128GB combo. Okay, the last one in our list is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11. It has a 6.43-inch AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass 3 protection that stands out from the rest in this list. Powered by a Snapdragon 680 chipset and Adreno 610 GPU, you can get the Redmi Note 11 for either 4GB or 6GB RAM and 64GB or 128GB internal storage. It is the only phone in under 10,000 pesos in this list that has a quad camera with a 50-megapixel main and a 13-megapixel front-facing camera. The dual SIM tray comes with a dedicated micro SD slot and 4G capability. There's Bluetooth 5, NFC, and an IR blaster to boot. It also has dual speakers and IP53 splash-proof. The large 5,000 mAh battery also supports fast charging with a 33-watt charger. No doubt, the Redmi Note 11 is our most recommended phone in this list. You can get it for 8,999 pesos for the 4GB 64GB combo, or add another 1,000 pesos and you will get a 6GB 128GB combo. Well, our list of recommendation isn't very long for smartphones under 10,000 pesos. But hey, this is just for the first quarter of 2022. We think there'll be more new phones announced in the second quarter, so we'll make sure to get that list to you as soon as possible. Anyway, that's it for now. We'll also be releasing our recommendations for under 15,000, 20,000, and 30,000 pesos. And we will just put that link in the description section down below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, smack that like button, or click on the notification bell to be updated of our future uploads. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, IG, and TikTok, or visit yugatech.com for more tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Abe, and I will see you in our next video.